Let's go to Family Dollar and do the 5 off of 25 deal. The first thing you want to grab is the Febreze Air or Heavy Duty for $4. You're going to buy 2 of them and use the 4 off of 2 digital coupon in the Family Dollar app. You're going to buy 3 of the Mr. Clean. They are 3 for $5 or $2 each. So we're going to do the 3 for $5. You're going to want to use the $1 off of 2 digital coupon. Grab the Maybelline Eyebrow Pencil for $3.35. Use the $2 off digital coupon. You're going to grab the Glade plugins for $3.60. Use the $2.50 off digital coupon, making it $1.10, which is a great deal. I also grabbed the Febreze Small Spaces, and they have it in my favorite scent for $3. You're going to use the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. I also had the Colgate Renewal Clearance Item Toothpaste for $3.50. And I used a $3 off digital coupon. But here is an even better deal. So my Family Dollar has a dollar spot, and they had these for $1. The essential oil is just $1. You're going to buy 2 of them. Now, my account had a $1 off clipped to it, so I ended up going to the checkouts, and that came off. I scanned it and nothing popped up, but I did scan it. So then I went back and grabbed 2 more, and you can actually submit your receipt to coupons.com for $6.50 off of 2. I will have a separate video on that, but I ended up getting 4 of them with the $6.50 off of 2 and then the $1 off of 2 digital coupon. So here is everything that I ended up getting. My original total before coupons came to $33.45. I ended up using $21.50 just of digital coupons, including the $5 one. And then I will be receiving these $6.50 off of the 2 from coupons.com. So my grand total for 14 items comes out to be $5.45. That's 38 cents each. I am pretty excited at my haul, and I'm pretty excited to get these because we have all those freebies of the holders, so why not get some oils with it? Thanks for watching. Check out my YouTube channel if you guys want to see even more money-saving deals. Again, thanks. See you guys later. Bye.